for the people that are experiencing that, is there any specific, coping methods, talking to people or therapy, or what are kind of the best coping methods when it comes to someone experiencing a traumatic event like that?
Martha Lingelen, and everything on this slide is, again, great. You do something that's unexpected. Hold people accountable for what they do. Speak honestly and be very direct. There's no reason to sugarcoat anything. If it is a joke that you are taking offense to, but everybody else is laughing, the longer you wait, the more you're welcoming that. The longer we let ourselves not speak up, the more it's going to impact our physiological, psychological. It's going to affect our workplace productivity. It's going to affect our home life, and it's going to affect the company as well. Again, it didn't have to lead to a lawsuit. It could have been stopped in that moment, but unfortunately, people they don't sometimes believe they have the option to speak up, or they don't speak up early enough, and they feel like it may be too late.